Bye.
All right, here we go. Lego. So I misspoke earlier. This isn't closing for good. This is being refurbished. Still, in a couple days, let's see, it is the 27th of September. At the end of the month, this will be temporarily unavailable. Oh, I'm not. Who's steering? I thought it'd be cool to get a different perspective than the one I'm used to. Guess what? Zebra buck. Oh, yeah. I'm sure I'm wrong, but this feels like this goes slightly faster. I'm sure I'm wrong. Ooh. They have an exotic crane. Oh, hello. This one, that would, looks like that would hurt his neck. Abrupt stops? What abrupt stops? I don't see any abrupt stops. Oh!
Back, exit gate is off to your right.
Thank you.